How to create Gmail account in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can create a Gmail account in mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a Gmail account in mobile, you can open up your Gmail app itself, but I'm going to open up my Chrome browser and I'll just go to incognito because I already have my Google account synced in there, so I'll show you from my incognito tab. So over here what you want to do is just go to gmail.com. basically it's as simple as that. So your Gmail account is your Google account, so you just have to create a new Google account. It's as simple. So just tap on create account option for my personal use, and of course simply make sure to translate it. If you don't understand the language, you can just go ahead and enter your first name as well as also the last name, but that's really optional. And then just tap the another one option. Now just select your year, month, and whatever else you prefer over here. So just go ahead and select the month here. Once you select your year, in this case what you also want to do is just go to the month section, go to the day section, and then once you select the day as well, you should be able to select your gender and then tap on the next option. Now just make sure to enter the email address, tap on another one, and make sure to choose a password, and a Gmail account will get successfully created. This way you can basically create Gmail account in mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.